Hey there, folks! Welcome back to our channel. Today we have something truly unique and innovative to share with you. The Ecovacs Goat G1. This cutting-edge robotic vacuum cleaner is designed to make your cleaning routine easier and more efficient. Let's dive in and explore its features. First and foremost, let's talk about the design of the Ecovacs Goat G1. This compact and sleek robotic vacuum cleaner is designed to navigate through your home effortlessly, reaching even the most hard-to-reach corners. Its advanced features and powerful suction ensure a thorough cleaning experience. One of the standout features of the Ecovacs Goat G1 is its intelligent mapping and navigation system. Equipped with advanced sensors and LiDAR technology, this vacuum cleaner creates a detailed map of your home, allowing it to navigate efficiently and avoid obstacles. It can clean multiple rooms, all while avoiding furniture and other objects. The Ecovacs Goat G1 offers various cleaning modes to suit your needs. It can vacuum both hard floors and carpets with ease, thanks to its powerful suction and adjustable brush roll. You can also set up virtual boundaries or no-go zones using the companion app, ensuring that the Goat G1 stays out of specific areas. One of the most impressive aspects of the Ecovacs Goat G1 is its self-emptying feature. The Goat G1 is equipped with a charging base that also serves as a dustbin station. When the vacuum cleaner is full, it automatically returns to the base, empties its contents into the dustbin, and continues cleaning without interruption. Maintenance is a breeze with the Ecovacs Goat G1. The dustbin is easy to remove and clean, ensuring that your vacuum cleaner is always hygienic. The Goat G1 also features washable filters, eliminating the need for frequent replacements. It's designed to be user-friendly and low-maintenance, allowing you to focus on other tasks. The Ecovacs Goat G1 is compatible with voice control systems like Amazon Alexa and Google Assistant. This means you can easily control the vacuum cleaner with simple voice commands, making your cleaning routine even more convenient and hands-free. In summary, the Ecovacs Goat G1 is a game-changer in the world of robotic vacuum cleaners. With its intelligent mapping and navigation, powerful cleaning performance, and self-emptying feature, it takes the hassle out of keeping your home clean. Say goodbye to tedious vacuuming and hello to a more efficient cleaning experience. That wraps up today's video. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more exciting content. Let us know in the comments below if you have any questions or if there are any other products you'd like us to review. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you in the next video.